Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make a gluten-free almond pear coffee cake. I'm going to be using Amoretti's almond flour and our pear compound and of course our Madagascar bourbon vanilla. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to mix all the dry ingredients. I have some potato flour, some gluten-free flour, brown sugar, and of course our almond flour, baking soda, baking powder. Just want to mix all of these dries together. And then I'm going to mix all the wet ingredients. So we have some eggs, and the oil, sour cream, applesauce, some vanilla, and our beautiful pear compound. This is going to give a lovely flavor to this breakfast cake. So let's whisk these together. This is a great cake for a snack, breakfast, tea. You can wrap pieces individually, put them in a lunchbox. It's gluten-free. All right, so this is pretty well combined. I'm just going to add it to the dry ingredients. Just mix this together. We're going to put it in a pan that has been lined with some parchment. You can use a square pan. I'm using this kind of a cake pan because it'll be easier to remove it. This is such an easy recipe, and it's also really nice once it sits in the refrigerator overnight. So you can have it warm, or you can have it after it's been sitting in the refrigerator chilling. I'm going to make a topping next to put over this. I'm just going to even out the batter a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to make some topping now. All right, so I'm going to make the topping. I have some almond flour, and I have toasted some fresh almonds. Put those in. Some brown sugar, a little cinnamon, a little salt. Okay, I'm going to pulse this before I put the butter in. We want to chop the almonds. Okay, so I'm adding some very cold cubed butter. And that's it. I'm just going to pour this on top of the cake. I'm just going to press on this to press it down, spread it evenly. This is going to bake for about 45 minutes, and then we need to let it rest for another 40 minutes before we cut it. All right, I think it's ready. All right, so this has been resting for quite some time, so we will cut this. This is, again, a great breakfast with coffee or a nice snack, and it's pretty healthy, so very easy to make. I suggest you try it. The pear compound is a great addition to this coffee cake and something a little different. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. You can reach out to us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Amoretti. See you next time.